So today we are building the second Jumbo figure in the Mega Construx Pokemon line. There's the kind of in-scale mini builds that they have, and then the medium build where there's just a little bit more detail that they've done, like Pikachu and Bulbasaur and a few others for. And then we have these Jumbo figures, which so far they've only done Pikachu and this Eevee. I got the Pikachu quite a while ago. I did a video on it and was one of my first, so it's pretty old and dated by now. But I've had this Eevee since like 2019. There was a good Black Friday sale on it, got it for a decent deal, and there really hasn't been too much of a shortage to find this guy either. He's not been terribly hard, so I don't know if they're really selling that well. So I'm hoping that the Jumbo line isn't dead, but, well, let's build this one and see if maybe it does need to be done.
Rifti.
And here's our Eevee. Honestly, it's a really great model, and I think it's kind of improved upon with the Pikachu model. That one had kind of a weird looking face. The personality of the character and just the 2D version in general didn't really transfer well to the 3D version. It still looks a lot better in person than it did on the box, but Eevee's head looks great. It looks adorable. It's got a great expression. I think they gave it enough personality without overdoing it. The one complaint I have is I kind of wish they had done something like ball joints in the legs when they connect to the body, just to give him a little bit more posability. And some of the joints are a little tight. I'm just a little weary moving him too much because I feel like something's going to break inside of it and then I'm not going to be able to hold him up anymore. Otherwise, it's a really fun build. There's not too much repetition, just in the legs. And then seeing it all comes together, it's really satisfying. And he looks cute, looks adorable. I really like this model. I think if you've been holding off on getting him, then you should pick it up. And there's been tons of sales on him. Black Friday deals. I've seen him go for pretty darn cheap. And I got it for somewhere in the low range too. So if you like Pokemon, if you like Eevee, if you've enjoyed the Mega Construx Pokemon sets, then this one is definitely worth getting. It's a fun little model, and he's going to look really cool on a shelf next to Pikachu or even just by himself. So for my action figure unboxing, I've got another wave of McFarlane toys, just because he's been putting out some actually decent stuff, and I'm able to find it most of the time and actually get it when I order it. So I have the Princess Bride wave of figures. We've got Buttercup, Dingo Montoya, the Dread Pirate Roberts, and everyone's favorite gentle giant, Fezzik. So these look like they're going to be pretty decent. I can't wait to open them up and check them out. But until then, stay safe, happy hunting.